Hi, it's Eva here from Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the stunning Santorini black. Starting from the front, where you will see your premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, the stylish and sporty dynamics are continued as it sits on these 20-inch diamond-turned alloys with gloss dark grey contrast. Venturing to the rear, you will also see the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate will reveal a versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a week's worth of luggage, a week's worth of shopping, or even a set of golf clubs. Venturing to the rear, you will see your ebony perforated Windsor leather seats alongside your ebony interior, which will keep you comfortable on any length of journey. Glimpsing into your cockpit will reveal your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, which alongside your Meridian surround sound system will ensure comfort and quality on any length of journey. As we now look at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which is courtesy of the leather extended upgrade, you'll also see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your sat nav. As we now move over to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid as well as your reversing camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. Within your lower screen, you will also be able to access your heated seat functions as well as your climate control systems. You'll further be able to access vehicle diagnostics as well as eco modes or terrain response systems. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see easy to access controls for your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross both occupants and enhance the light Oyster Morzine headlining in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Many thanks for watching.